The Fafrees F20 Max folding electric bicycle blends power, endurance, and versatility in a compact folding frame, making it an ideal companion for both urban commutes and outdoor adventures. Built with a rugged 500W motor, a massive 48V 22.5Ah battery, and 20 by 4.0-inch fat tires, this e-bike is made to conquer diverse terrains while offering a smooth, flexible, and enjoyable riding experience for adults of all skill levels. At the heart of the F20 Max is its 500W high-speed brushless motor capable of delivering a peak speed of up to 45 km/h. With a max torque of 54 Nm, this motor ensures you have the acceleration and hill climbing power you need whether you're riding through busy city streets, cruising country roads, or tackling steeper inclines. What truly sets this model apart is its ultra-large 48V 22.5Ah lithium battery, powered by Samsung 21700 automotive-grade cells. This powerful battery setup allows for extended range performance, offering up to 120 kilometers of riding distance on a single charge in optimal conditions. The battery is also removable and lockable, giving you the convenience of easy charging and enhanced security when parking in public spaces. Equipped with a smart LCD display, the F20 Max gives you full control and insight into your ride. View critical metrics such as speed, battery level, mileage, and power assist levels, all configurable for a personalized riding experience. You can switch between riding modes directly from the display, allowing you to tailor performance to your needs. The SHIMANO 7-speed shifter ensures smooth and responsive gear changes, enhancing efficiency and ride control across various inclines and surfaces. Whether you're riding manually or using pedal assist, the drivetrain remains crisp and reliable. Built for all-terrain adventures, the bike features 20 by 4.0-inch fat tires that offer outstanding grip and shock absorption. These wide tires expand your contact area with the ground, improving both stability and safety. Whether it's sand, snow, gravel, or pavement, the F20 Max is designed to tackle it with ease. Safety is also a top priority. The dual disc braking system ensures strong and consistent stopping power, even in wet or downhill conditions. Additionally, the integrated LED headlight and rear brake light boost your visibility during nighttime or low-light riding, adding an extra layer of protection. The F20 Max offers 3 working modes: full electric, pedal assist, PAS, and traditional manual pedaling. This flexible setup lets you choose how much effort you want to exert, making it suitable for everything from relaxed cruising to intense workouts. Another standout feature is its plug-and-play wiring system, which simplifies maintenance and repair. Replacing or upgrading electrical components becomes hassle-free, ensuring long-term reliability and easier servicing. Overall, the Fafrees F20 Max folding electric bicycle is a smart and capable choice for those who want a high-performance, long-range, and terrain-flexible e-bike that doesn't compromise on convenience or safety. Its folding design makes it portable and practical, while its advanced features ensure you get the most out of every ride, on or off the beaten path.